Hey, welcome to another product highlight from Medical Gear Outfitters. This is going to be our DynaLift, okay? So this is like the rescue litter, a quick grab and go to move a patient. We use these a lot, honestly. Like this is in my search and rescue bag, this is my SWAT bag. We use these a lot, and we've kind of talked about them a lot because we use them, and I've used them a ton, and I know they hold up. So this one right here is going to open up and allow us to move our patient to safety. This one right here will hold 1,500 pounds. That's a lot of weight, and you're going to need a lot of friends to carry it. So here's one that I went and got out of our training supplies to kind of let you take a look at. So you can see this one's been abused. It's been used over and over in many classes. It's got tears where we drug across the ground, things like that. But so even if this spot has torn, you still have the webbing that's going to hold it intact. But this thing has been used an absolute ton. But I love it. It's something lightweight that you could use to move a patient to safety. Maybe you're in a threat situation, a high threat situation, you need to move somebody quickly. This is going to be great. Maybe your range is way off the roadway. You need to move them, an injured patient, to help EMS get them off scene faster. But lots of uses for this. I actually just got an email this week from a customer who bought one of these and said, I bought it because you said so, and I really thought I would never use it. So I bought it, stored it away, and his neighbor got injured. They were needing to move their neighbor to help them. They'd fallen, and they used the DynaLift out of his supplies to help move the patient. So he was like, thank you so much. I never really thought I'd use a litter, and then boom, one day it came in handy. So if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for your support.